What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm playing 9 holes of golf. I had a lesson this morning. I'm also hold up a sec, runaway buggy. Yeah, so I had a lesson this morning. Went really well with an Australian PGA professional. He was on the tour played on the Australian tour for about 15 years. I'll release a video on that really soon. I wanted to share a couple of things that he spoke to me about, and man, I got so much out of it. I have to tell you, there is so much I'm excited about when it comes to, learning from those kind of guys that have played. He's a little bit, he's obviously off the tour. He played about 20 years ago, played with Adam Scott and all those kind of guys. So I learned a whole bunch from him. I'll definitely be posting that video up in the next week or so. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and follow my golf journey. I've got a problem with my swing that you guys, you've seen my recent videos where I've been doing a few drills and trying to figure out what's going on with my swing exactly. But I've hit a pretty good drive here, like 4 or 5 over. I'm not playing that great, but I'm starting to feel like a few things are coming back. Still got my M2 driver. It's just a I think it's a 10 degree stiff shaft. I got this really cool head weighted putter from Cougar. It's a really random brand. I've never heard of it. My AP3's right throughout my bag. I've only got my Cleveland 56 degree as my wedge, and I have a gap wedge over here. The old school rocker balls and the M1 1.5 degree 3 wood with a stiff shaft. So that is my setup with this Tri-Lite buggy and Cleveland golf bag. One of the guys I've been watching on YouTube Golf, Nate Edwardson Golf, he has, I don't know if you guys watch his channel, but man, I enjoy his content a lot. He talks about everything that's going on with YouTube Golf, and he's been talking about Rick Shields and his tournament that he's starting to create for the end of this year, on the back of Good Goods tournament that they just had, which I haven't watched yet, so please don't ruin that for me in the comments or anything like that. And let's be honest, no one's really watching these videos. I'm kind of the only one with a few others that I've noticed. Shout out to you guys that are watching my videos. I can't thank you enough. But in the end of the day, I gotta ask myself, who's gonna want to watch me play golf? And for the ones that do, and the ones that enjoy my content, I love you guys, and I do appreciate it a lot. So back to Nate Edwardson's golf channel. He basically talks about YouTube Golf, and something that I am really looking forward to is that YouTube Golf event that Rick Shields is putting on later this year, which is in the UK. Good, ended up parring that hole. Pretty happy with the golf today. I haven't been playing that well recently, so it's nice to put a couple of nice shots together, nice holes together, and because I'm sure you guys, whoever's watching this, wants to see if I can actually play some good golf. That's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.